Back in the day, you would just get a shaver and that would be it, right? Nowadays, things are a bit more complex with so many options and they are all promising the same thing, more or less. Finding the right tool for body hair management is becoming quite a task. That's where the Philips Norelco Bodygroom Series 5000 comes in. A device that's designed to help you with that task, but also tackling problems with irritation and reaching awkward spots that other razors cannot reach simply. They say it's not only about appearances, but also providing you a comfortable experience. That your grooming is comfortable, basically. And it's not like those old razors that it was the only option we had, and we had to fight with some externalities, like cutting here and there, irritations, and like bad grooming simply because it was not flexible enough to reach those difficult spots as well as to make the right form that you are looking for. So with that promise of smoother shave and also ability to reach those difficult areas, it's time to see if this product can really elevate our grooming routine, like it says it does. Obviously, as we said at the beginning, the market for body grooming is quite sophisticated as of now. Back in the day, it wasn't that way. But nowadays it is. Products range from the most basic to the most sophisticated. The Philips Norelco Bodygroom Series 5000 stands on the sophisticated side of things. As a high-end option, you can see it boasts a modern design and a back-reaching attachment. It's waterproof and it's cordless. So basically it's very versatile. You can use it in wet and dry conditions. But again, the way Philips is positioning this product on the market is on the angle of the low irritation trim, even in the most sensitive areas. And I have to be honest, my experience with body grooming has not been the best, really. The one I had before, which was the Philips One Blade, the first one that went out, often led to cuts and nicks, especially when trimming my most sensitive areas. So when I saw this marketing angle, I was quite compelled, to be honest. The advanced design that you see there was also quite interesting. I never had a trimmer that looked like that. I wanted to try not only that form of trimmer, but also its technology. So okay, let's go through how the whole experience was. The unboxing of this Bodygroom Series 5000 was very straightforward. Inside you will find the groomer itself, 3 comb attachments for different hair lengths, and the innovative back-reaching attachment. Again, you can shower with it, it won't damage if it gets wet, and it's cordless, so it operates with maximum flexibility. It's also a quite ergonomic design that makes it very comfortable to hold, and the rubberized grip is good. It won't slip on your hand at least. So the Bodygroom Series 5000 features a foil and a blade system that works together to provide a close shave without causing skin irritation. Okay, so from a personal standpoint, the first thing I noticed was that it was extremely fast. It was very effective and performative. Oh boy, that was fast. Much faster than the Philips One Blade, that's for sure. The back-reaching attachment is a game changer, and it allows for easy access to the entire back without any assistance. I particularly like to do my trims in the shower, so knowing that I could trim with this trimmer in the shower was a positive point for this Philips trimmer. Overall, very practical solution, very effective, very performative, really good for daily grooming needs. And most importantly, it was very effective. It was very fast. That was what really stood out for me because I like my things to be efficient. I don't want to waste a single sec. The more time I can save, the better. But of course, keeping the quality high. Now, every product has a limitation. And this is not different with the Philips Bodygroom Series 5000. First thing, yes, it's very effective. Yes, it's very fast, but boy, it's loud. Again, comparing it to the Philips One Blade, which is the only trimmer I can compare it with because it's the only other one that I've used that I have as a reference point, it's much louder. For me, that's not such a big deal. In my house, that's not really a problem, but I could understand that for some people that could be an issue, especially if you like to trim during sleep hours and you do it close by the people that live with you or something. I don't know. Just as important that you know that. Second thing, it doesn't come with any travel case at all. So you'd have to put the different parts, if you use them all, in a separate bag. You have to find a bag for yourself for your travel case, or simply you just have to figure out your solution because it doesn't come with any of that. That was something bad for me because I do travel a lot and I was gonna take a travel. I didn't have time to trim my intimate parts before the travel, so I had to take it with me. And then I realized that I didn't have anywhere to put it in. So I picked a plastic bag, and that was not nice at all. So these two factors were the only downsides that I experienced, and I thought it was important you had them in mind when you decide to get these. Now, what do people online say about this groomer? The feeling is that the Bodygroom Series 5000 is an effective tool, and here there is a real consensus. In fact, was one of the reasons I decided to get it. It's mostly praised by the quality of shave it provides, and also a lot of comments on how easy it is to clean. And indeed, it's very easy to clean, but not easier than the Philips One Blade, so that was not such a standing out point for me. Yes, of course, there are always negative comments, and one of them that I saw repeating a few times was the noise level. I did notice that as soon as I turned it on. But again, despite this criticism, the overall sentiment is very good. Many people recommend it. And as for my final assessment, I do recommend it as well, because within all factors, the Philips Norelco Bodygroom Series 5000 really stands as a strong contender in the bodygroom category. The features that it offers, although it's marketed with an angle of irritation and versatility, cater to a broad range of people that really go beyond the irritation thing and the versatility. Again, for me, it's the effectiveness what stands out, a valuable addition to your personal care needs. Well designed, efficient, and versatile. Suitable for anyone looking to improve their grooming process. Reliable as well, as most people online would tell you it is. I've had mine for already 6 months, and so far, so good. It's working as new. Let's see how long it lasts. Comfortable, irritation-free experience. Very happy overall. So if you're considering a new body groomer, the Bodygroom Series 5000 from Philips certainly deserves your attention. Peace out.